Welcome to first merge class of IGCSE and A levels on physics. I hope that all of you are fine.
Yes, fine, teacher. And I really wanted to say you thank you so much, teacher, for these merged classes, especially for our group.
Oh, that's a pleasure, your teacher is here to help you anytime. Okay, so these first classes, the merge classes, okay, by the way, Zoe.
Teacher, I wanted to say you something.
Yeah, sure. Please go
My
ahead.
group will not turn on their microphones. They will only write in the chats. Only I'm allowed to turn on the mic, okay?
It's fine. Okay, so let's start, everyone. So in this merge class for IGCSE and A levels, I will summarize the things which gonna help you. Okay, so the first question which you might have heard, well, not might, obviously you have heard about measurements, measuring things everywhere, measuring here, there, everywhere, isn't it? In all the physics.
Yeah.
So any of you, can you tell me what is measurement?
To measure something, right?
To measure some. That's what my question is. What is measurement, isn't it? Okay, so without wasting more time, because I know you will give different answers. Okay, I'm really sorry that today I'm not really gonna interrupt you because time is less and I have to squeeze a lot of things in. Okay, so just show me thumbs up or thumbs down if something is unclear to any one of you. Okay, because you arranged the class, so it's your time. Okay, so this term measurement, which I have seen that a lot of students cannot answer, this simply means that whenever, okay, we write any physical property in number. That's it. Property in number. This is what measurement is. Simply. Then you will ask that, Miss Binte, what is a physical property? Physical property means that anything which we are talking with when we are talking about any property of an object. For example, let me give you an example. The thing's gonna be clear.
Okay.
Let's suppose this is my favorite student, Zoe. Okay, Zoe, I'm really sorry to draw you that way. Okay, so this is Zoe.
Oh my God.
Okay, so if let's suppose I say that Zoe, if I ask, okay, any of the students, what's the height of Zoe? Okay, what's the weight of Zoe? Okay, these are the things. Okay, the height, weight, length, these are what? These are the physical properties. These are the properties, but they're physical. Okay, because they are related to appearance, isn't it?
Yeah.
They are physical. So this is called as physical property. Okay, makes sense? So whenever I define height, weight, or any physical properties in number, okay, then that concept is called as measurement. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 thumbs up. Okay, I could see a lot of thumbs up. Should I move on? Well, to make the things more clearer, here is the example, okay, which is Miss Binte's style, as you know. Okay, so over here we have Mr. Handsome and one of my favorite students named as Mo. I'm really sorry, Mo. Okay. Okay, so this Mr. Handsome, okay, one day he came to my class and he wanted admission, but our principal, Miss Mandy, she wanted me to explain. She wanted me to explain that what type of student he is. But the problem with Miss Mandy is this, that she only understands the language of maths. I have to explain to Miss Mandy the appearance of this Mr. Handsome through physical properties. So what did I said? I said, Miss Mandy, this creature, can you see my hand? This creature is 99 kgs and 77 meters tall. Okay, what did I said? What did I explain in 99 kg? It's weight. Excellent. A lot of answers. Weight. Correct. And then 77 meters. What is this?
Height.
Excellent. How did you know? How did you know that it's weight and it's height? Excellent. Because of this kg and meters. Correct.
Yeah.
Kg and meters. Okay, so this weight and height are what? These are physical properties, isn't it? But but did I use the word weight in front of Miss Mandy, or did I just set 99 kg?
99 kg.
99 kg. Okay, so this is what measurement is. So can I say that I have just given a number, I have written a number, I have given a number to this physical property, weight, and this physical property, height? Can I say that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is what a measurement is. Okay, makes sense? Thumbs up from everyone.
Yep.
Okay, but have you noticed that if I just said 99 and didn't put anything after 99, will it make sense that what I'm talking about?
No, it's just
No,
like number.
it's just a number, isn't it? So I need this type of things, kg, centimeters, meters, okay? Okay, so the first
Yeah.
concept which we talked about is measurement, which means giving numerical value. Numerical value means, okay, so here's a fancy definition of it. So measurement simply means giving numerical value, which means giving numbers. To whom we have to give numbers? We have to give numbers to a physical property of an object. Okay, now it makes sense? Now the
Yep.
thing, all the physical properties in this world, they have a shortcut term so that we could recognize them. For example, let's suppose Zoe is very lazy to write this whole spellings of weight. Okay, so how what's she gonna do? But if someone will put kg in front of, okay, she will immediately understand that someone is talking about weight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so these short terms, these shortcuts, I know all the students love them.
Of course.
Commerce teacher, okay, all of you, okay. Now the thing is, the same happened. Remember, all the physical quantities which we're gonna learn, which you will learn in, which you have learned in your physics classes, okay, all the physical quantities, they have the shortcuts, they have a specific unit which will tell us that which quantity we are talking about. Okay, so all the physical quantities have a specific unit, which will tell us that which quantity we are talking about. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so all physical quantities have units. This thing is clear. But these units, okay, we have a special system, which we have a special system which will tell us. We have a special system which will tell us that which physical quantity have what unit. Okay?
Yep.
And the name of that system, is called as SI unit. Okay, or system international units. Okay, you could say that. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
SI
So,
units.
okay, yes. So there are four main concepts, even though they are very initial concepts. I know you have learned a lot, but I just want to make things clearer to you. So first of all, what is measurement? Giving numerical values to physical properties, correct? Then what are physical
Yes.
properties? Just talking about the properties of an object, but they related to their physical things, isn't it? And then
Yeah.
all physical quantities have units, and those units,
Units.
okay, they're given to us through a special system named as SI system. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so far so good from all the people. Thumbs up. Okay, excellent. Let's move on. Now remember the other thing. All the physical quantities which you have learned in IGCSE and in your A levels, okay? All the physical quantities, okay, these quantities, okay, remember that they're divided into two types, two main types, two big categories. Okay, the first one is called as base quantities. Okay, the first one is called as base quantities, and the second one is called as derived quantities. What are they called?
Base and derived.
Excellent job. Good job, everyone. So far so good. Okay, so
Yeah.
base quantities, you could say they are celebrities, okay? We cannot change them. They are system set quantities, okay? They are given to us and we have to accept it the way it is. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, and these base quantities, which you could say that they are celebrities, okay? They are celebrities, there are 7 in numbers. How many are there?
7.
7. Okay, well, the initial ones, yes, you should know, such as length. Okay, it's a physical quantity. Do you agree length is a physical quantity? It's a physical
Yeah.
property. Yes. So the second one is mass. Okay. The third one is time. Okay. And the other one is temperature. And you know the other ones. Okay. So there are 7 in numbers. You know, I know that you all know about that. Okay. Well, I will post a picture of this soon. if in case anyone doesn't know. Okay, so there's 7 quantities. We cannot change them. They are system setted quantities. Okay, base quantities. So do you agree, as I told you, that all the physical quantities have units? So can I say that these base quantities, their units will be base units? Okay, makes sense, because they are base quantities, so their units should be base units, isn't it?
Yeah.
Derived quantities, as the word derived, okay, it is hidden. The meaning is hidden inside the word. Derived quantities are those quantities which are combination of base quantities. They are combination of base quantities. Okay, they are combination of base quantities. Okay, what does that mean? Let's suppose if I give you an example. Okay, example of derived quantities is speed. Okay, I know that A-level and IGCSE students, you have heard a lot about speed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so speed here. Speed is a derived quantity. How? So you would say that, Miss Binte, you just said that's a combination of base quantities. Yes, speed is combination of two base quantities. The first one is length, and the other one is time. Okay, well, I know that you have learned speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distance, what is distance? It's a specific length, isn't it? So length divided by time, and length and time, both of them are base quantities. If I put length and time in a relationship of division, okay, can you see both of them are dividing here?
Yeah.
They will create, this combination will create another quantity, another property, and the name of that property is speed. Make sense?
Yep.
So derived quantities, they are combination of base quantities. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay, from your whole group, Zoe?
Yep.
Okay, all of you, thumbs up, excellent. So can I say that derived quantities, their unit will be derived units?
Yeah.
Okay, easy. Makes sense. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, so speed, okay, what will be the unit of speed? Derived units, derived quantities, combination of base quantities. Then derived units should be combination of base units.
Teacher, length and distance are basically the same thing, right?
Yes, they are same. Yes. What is distance? If you cover a distance from A to B, what are you doing? We're just measuring the length from A to B, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so now, so derived units, they are a combination of base units, isn't it? So how to say length? What's the unit of length? Meters, correct? What's the
Meters.
unit of time? Seconds. So the unit of speed will be meter per second. Can you see the combination of both of them created a new unit for a derived quantity, and for that the unit is derived units? Can you see here? I could see a lot of wows. Okay, the wow is okay. One of my major tips for physics is never memorize all the things. Memorization will help you short term, but if you understand the concept, if you will see that how the things are coming up, things gonna be easier for you. Okay, as you could see here. Okay, so exactly all the derived quantities, especially for the A-level student and IGCSE as well, most of the quantities which you will learn in your books, they are derived quantities. Okay, just remember my words that Miss Binte said, that derived quantities are a combination of base quantities. Okay, they are combination of base quantities, and their units will be combination of base units for sure. Okay. Okay, so 3 concepts which we did: measurements, physical properties, units. Okay, so these are the 3 important ones. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay, do you think that in order to measure these, okay, so in order to measure these quantities, these physical quantities, let's suppose over here, okay, let's suppose this is a Lamborghini of Mo, my student Mo. Okay, and it's this is a cab of Zoe. Okay, so if I have to measure the length of both of these cars, okay, do you think that I need an instrument to measure it?
Yeah.
Of course, isn't it? We need it. So
Yep.
remember that this is the case. To measure all the physical quantities, whether they are base or they are derived, we need instruments to measure. Okay, so this is a main thing. Instruments are needed. Okay, or you could say instruments, or you could say devices. Okay, different devices are needed to measure. Okay, physical properties or physical quantities. Okay.
Okay.
For example, one of the best thing, if you just want to measure the length of a paper, okay, you need a device or you need an instrument, and the name of that instrument is scale or a ruler, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep.
Isn't it? If you want to measure your weight or if you want to measure your mass, isn't it? Well, mass and
Weight
weight,
machine.
it's exactly a weight machine. Mass and weight have a difference, which I'm going to come back shortly on that. Okay, so weight, yes, there is a weight machine, isn't it? We stand there and girls don't want to see their weight if they weight is above 60 kgs, isn't it? Okay, so yes,
That's
so
true.
instrument. Okay, so instruments are needed to measure physical quantities. Make sense to all of you?
Yep.
Now from here, so now, oh, okay, I will stop here. So for IGCSE and A level student, both of you have to do these things, okay? After that, okay, we will learn about instruments. Yes, IGCSE people have to do some instruments and they should know how to calculate things and some errors. But A level student, yes, the errors part, it's a detailed topic, okay? So before I start that, I'm giving you a 5 minutes break.